A pharmaceutical company receives large shipments of aspirin tablets. The acceptance sampling plan is randomly selected and tests 65 tablets. Then accept the whole batch if there is only one or none that doesn't meet the required specifications. If one shipment of 8,000 aspirin tablets actually has a 2% rate of defects, what is the probability that this whole shipment will be accepted? Will almost all such shipments be accepted, or will many be rejected? So, let a success be a tablet that does not meet the required specifications. To determine the correct answer, first write the desired probability as a mathematical expression, and note that this probability is equal to the probability that only 0 or 1 of the tablets fails to meet the required specifications. Okay, so that can be written as the probability of x being less than or equal to 1, because that is the same thing as the probability of 0 or 1. Now, in StatCrunch, we're going to select Stat, highlight Calculators, and then select Binomial. We're going to enter the number of trials. The number of trials is n, which is equal to 65. And note that the probability is 2%. And 2% as a decimal is 0.02, so p is equal to 0.02. And note that the combined sample tests positive if at least one person has the virus. And again, that is x, which is less than or equal to 1. And then we're going to select Compute. So now we're going to open this up in a StatCrunch. So Stat, Calculators, select Binomial. We know that n is equal to 65. We know the probability is 0.02. And we know that it's going to be less than or equal to 1. So we have less than or equal to 1. And then select Compute. And then there we have our probability. So there we have our probability of 0.6257. So we would say, if we round that to 4 decimal places, we would say, therefore, the probability that this whole shipment will be accepted is 0.6258. So to find the percentage of shipments that will be accepted, we're going to convert this probability to a percentage. So we're going to take 0.6258 times 100%, which gives us 62.58%. Now, we want to subtract this percentage from 100% to find the percentage of shipments that will be rejected. So if we take 100%, subtract 62.58%, then we get 37.42%. Now, the company will accept 62.58% of the shipments and will reject 37.42% of the shipments. So many of the shipments will be rejected.